William Shakespeare, the Bard of Avon, who defined English literature with his quill. But what if he had an iPhone powered by Google, Gemini, and a contract with Netflix? When the master of tragedy meets AI, script writing and binge-watching, To Be or Not to Be gets a major algorithm update. Number 10, the ChatGPT Rewrite. Shakespeare finished his new play and asked ChatGPT to polish the dialogue. The AI replied, "This is too wordy. Let's change to be or not to be to should I stay or should I go? It's better for the algorithm." Shakespeare fainted instantly. Number 9, binge-watching his own plays. He discovered Netflix and watched a 10-hour marathon of a modern Hamlet. By the end, he was so confused by the plot, twists, that he had to Google the SparkNotes for his own work. Number 8, Gemini's spoiler alerts. He tried to write a mystery play, but Gemini kept interrupting. Warning: the audience will guess the killer in 5 minutes based on current streaming trends. Suggest killing off the protagonist in the first act. Number 7, the X drama. He posted a sonnet on X. A user with a robot avatar commented, "Mid. Write better." Shakespeare spent the next 48 hours writing a 500-line insult in poetic rhythm as a reply. Number 6, LinkedIn for playwrights. He tried to find a job as a screenwriter. The AI recruiter rejected him because his vocabulary was too archaic, and he didn't have experience with final draft software. Wait, here is a quick side story. Shakespeare was fascinated by the switch to USB-C, a port that accepts the connection from any side, he mused. Finally, humanity has achieved the poetic symmetry of a perfect sonnet in a hardware interface. Number 5, Uber Eats for the actors. During a rehearsal, he ordered 500 ales via Uber Eats. When the driver arrived on an electric scooter, Shakespeare was so inspired by the vehicle that he rewrote Romeo and Juliet to include a high-speed scooter chase. Number 4, Gemini's casting suggestions. He asked Gemini to cast the perfect Juliet. The AI suggested an AI-generated influencer with 50 million followers. Shakespeare looked at his real actress and whispered, "I'm sorry, but the algorithm has spoken." Number 3, the TikTok Sonnet Challenge. He tried to read his sonnets on TikTok Live. He was immediately flooded with NPC comments and people asking him to do a trendy dance. He put on a cat filter and gave up on high art. Number 2, Gemini predicts the copyright battle. He asked Gemini for a legal report. The AI warned, "Your works are in the public domain. Everyone is making money off you except you." Shakespeare immediately tried to trademark the word thou. Number 1, the ultimate writer's block. Shakespeare realized that when AI can write a masterpiece in 2 seconds, the human soul is just a slow processor. He threw his iPhone into the Thames and picked up his quill. "At least ink doesn't have a monthly subscription," he laughed. Shakespeare was toyed with by the iPhone. But why did Apple choose Google's Gemini over OpenAI's ChatGPT? Shakespeare would know. To tell a story that covers the whole world, you need the world's biggest library of human data. Google is the globe, and Apple is the stage. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.